Hey everybody, welcome back to 3D Cool Hacks. In this video, we're going to talk about Hobby Lobby filament right here. I'm going to talk to you about different tips and tips, how you can actually get this filament, even when it's not in stores, for a very reasonable price. Plus, I'm going to tell you about some of the price points they have for some of these prints and about how much they cost. There's some good, some bad, and there's some ugly things where it comes down to Hobby Lobby's filament selection. So let's just get into the video, and I want to first talk out about how to pick up this Hobby Lobby. So a lot of times when you go into Hobby Lobby, they're sold out of a lot of these colors that you see right here. They're starting to expand their color selection from just regular PLA to silk, and then they have a TPU type of filament. Well, I went in there and I picked up all these things. And by the way, I used my own money, and my wife told me to stop buying so much filament. But I just wanted to talk about another option that you can do while you're in the store. You can get a rain check. So with a rain check, you can actually order these things and get the colors that you want. Go look on their online website, or you can talk to one of their associates and they will help you out to get these things put on a rain check for you. So that is one nice thing. The next step you can do is you can go on Amazon. Amazon does have a lot of the PLAs in just a few colors on Amazon that you can actually get. It's like $5.99 per roll, but if you start adding them up, so if you put 4, 5, 6, 7 in a cart, it'll be like $6.99 shipping. So that is not a bad situation either. And then the last thing you could do would be going to Hobby Lobby's website. With Hobby Lobby's website, you see all the colors that they have coming out, and over $50, I've noticed that you get it all for free shipping. The difference between Hobby Lobby's website and Amazon website, it feels like you get the Hobby Lobby's filament from them about a week earlier than you would from Amazon. But to my surprise, when I actually got this thing sent to me, it came through Amazon of all things. So they do use Amazon for shipping. So I did wait to do this video before I could get some of my other filament in. So I did pick up a few different new colors that some of them I like, some of them I don't. So I picked up this one right here. It's called PLA Sparkling Burnt Titanium. So it's not a bad looking filament. Not what I was really expecting, but it's nice. It's kind of dark, and it does have a shimmer. That was the one I was the most excited about. I did put these two bad boys right on here. This is actually from Bambu Labs, the titanium they have. I really like the titanium compared to what they call titanium or burnt titanium, and their silver does not do much better where it comes to the color of the bamboo. But there goes the two that I printed right there, but the bamboo does click. And then the next one I got in was this one right here. This is called Black and Silver Candy. This one right here, I'm not too sure if I'm really big into it, because you can actually see the lines of the black and silver candy, and that's what I have it sitting on. It seems like how they produced this one, it was like black going into silver, where they had other ones where it came to the Silk Pink, which I really do like. That's a couple of these that you see down here. I really turned out liking this one quite a bit. I used it for some of the eyes of my aliens and things like that, but this is phenomenal. I really do love this one. And then I kind of have mixed reviews of where it comes to this one. This was the rainbow one. It had 5 different colors in it. It started out with yellow, but with the rainbow one, it is a silk also. And when they say rainbow, it comes in red, yellow, blue, green, and purple. So that's why you see all these different colors within these eggs and these dragons. But it turned out quite a bit nicer than I thought. I will be purchasing this one again along with the black pink. Like I said, I really do like it. The burnt, I need to find out some projects I can do with it, because it's a little bit darker to my taste that I have where it comes to some of these prints. And then I got this one right here. This is Illumination Green from PLA. So this is not a silk one. I have not tried that out. I have not had a project to put it on. But I just started really purchasing a lot of their silk PLAs or some of their specialty PLAs. And that's where it comes down to, I'm just reconsidering about what I'm going to do where it comes to my filament selection. So first of all, I do like the Bambu PLA stock, period. It's a nice solid color. I'm going to be switching to most of the stock where you see right here where it comes to the colors from Bambu to just regular basic PLA, because I do like the oranges, the blues, the silvers. I like the reds too, but I'm going to go into that one. But where it comes to some of these other colors, I'm going to have to really rethink this with getting my last batch. And the reason why I'm really rethinking this is because PLA is about $14.99. But after you get the PLA and you start purchasing these other colors, which I could not find the manufacturer who does this for Bambu. They say they're a white label brand, but you start purchasing these colors and I don't comprehend about how they have their pricing structure. So I have these empty boxes right here for you, but you do have the PLA luminous green. That's $21.99. And then we go to the PLA silver, which is $17.99. That is for the silk. Then after that one, we have the PLA marble, which is $20.99. And then we have a matte black for PLA. I did not know matte black was going to cost more than just a regular PLA, but there is more of a process going into it. And this is where I just was losing my comprehension about how they're doing some of this pricing. So like I said, this burnt titanium PLA sparkling, this one right here is $20.99. But if you see this silk PLA candy black and silver is $24.99. And then they have the black and pink PLA silk is $19.99. It's just a lot of the pricing is inconsistent. Like I'm going to go over here real quick and show you this one, but this one right here is the red, yellow, blue, green rainbow filament PLA silk, and that is $20.99. They have wood for $6.99. And then, like I said, the silks look like they go up to about $17.99 or other specialty prices. So I'm going to switch over all my filament from Bambu where it comes to just regular base PLA. But the other ones, I would say buyer beware. Like I said, my favorite one so far has been the black pink. It has been the rainbow, which I didn't like the yellow at first. And then this burnt titanium, it's maybe a yay or a nay. I'm going to see what kind of projects I can do for them. But I have a little Sonic and I have this guy right here. And then we have the black candy. The black candy, I'm not too sure what project I would use it on. If you guys would like me to leave me some comments where I could probably use some of these colors in different projects, just let me know. Send me a link in Maker's Mark for the in the comments. But like this one, I did not like how it did all the ribbing, but it did do a pretty nice job where it came to the black and silver, but it's just, I don't like the lines. So just buyer beware when you start getting these things. You will get a lot of beautiful prints out of these things, but where it comes to their pricing structure and how they do everything where it comes to their colors, I can't truly comprehend it, where I do like the PLA being $14.99 and I know what I'm going to get. And that's pretty much what I have to say about the Bambu Lab stuff. I'm going to order a couple more colors. You might see another video out there for there. I don't know, but right now some of the specialty colors that I like I said, the Bambu, I'm going to stick with their titanium, and I'm not going to risk the silver that they have and things like that. But I hope this video helped you guys out. Just let me know in the comments which ones you liked or you didn't like. But like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Whew.